Good evening, KPMG partners and professionals. My name is Carlo Trujillo, and I'm the Vice President of Beta Alpha Psi Nu Sigma chapter at Fairleigh Dickinson University. And here's my presentation for the Platinum Challenge. Let me just go ahead and share my screen real quick. All right, like I said, my name is Carlo Trujillo, and this is my presentation for NuAnswers, an AI tutoring bot built by students for students. So what I'm going to go over is the whole need for the AI tutor bot in the first place. The build, the from the prototype to the final version of Claude that I personally facilitated. The real impact, adoption, feedback, and most importantly, the juicy metrics that we're all looking for. And recognition, what's next? We have an award-winning tutor bot. As I will go over later, we won first place in the mid-year tournament this year in Cincinnati. So the classic 11 p.m. problem, I've experienced it myself. It's 11 p.m. You have a big final tomorrow. You're trying to figure out your cash flow statements, but you just need some clarity that you're not getting from ChatGPT. All your friends are fast asleep and your professor is not answering your emails. What do you do? Well, this is a classic situation that hundreds of students face in our program every year. So we decided to do something about it. We built an AI tutor bot that will help you solve the problem exactly as the professors envisioned it. And I will go into more detail about it later. But first, we started off with our prototype version 1, powered by ChatGPT, built on Streamlit, powered by OpenAI. It proved great, concept worked, but it was very limited and very hard to scale. That's when I stepped in and decided to rebuild the whole thing using Claude and Claude Code. I powered it through the Claude API key for a stronger tutoring experience, and I use React and Next on the front end using Versal instead of using Streamlit. Using Claude, it was able to teach the reasoning a lot better, not just the answer or any hallucinations, which ChatGPT has a very strong reputation of doing. Under the hood, powered by Claude API, we're using Supabase and vector search, so the course material retrieved always stays on topic for our RAG model. I have a Mac Mini set up on campus that's running 24/7 dedicated to keeping NuAnswers on the clock. And all the code is open source. It's being stored on GitHub, and all of our workflows are on there. So it's always being monitored and maintained like a real product. So how it really works, like I said, it teaches, it doesn't tell. It will guide the students through the problem. All the students has to do is upload a practice example, and then the tutor bot will understand and follow the same process. So we put it to the test. A bunch of my peers were studying for that exact accounting test, and they actually used it to prepare for it, and they found it very useful. So we helped over 200 students, thousands of questions answered. It's 24/7 available, and we saved thousands of dollars in tutoring fees. But like I mentioned before, we got first place best practices this year. Deloitte sponsored at the BAP mid-year meeting. The beautiful thing is it's built to scale. We can use it anywhere in BAP. NuAnswers is tailored to their courses, and it serves the students at no cost. It's free for them to use completely. How it changed our chapter, like we really developed hand-on skills to really learn how to code. And I'm an accounting major. I don't know anything about coding. This project became the whole identity of the chapter, really. It's our baby. And it attracted top-tier talent. A lot of people came drawn towards the BAP because of this. And here's the best part for last is we actually put an open claw on it. So we were actually able to control it virtually using our phones, not even have to be on the Mac Mini to be able to push the code and everything, which is beautiful. So let me just
All right,
step
this
through
is the
that real
second
quick.
week playing the
I
open
had
claw
Damien working
through his
virtually,
phone, and
and
he's all the way in TNEC on the
I
other
was
campus.
checking the logs to
But
making
in real
sure
time,
everything pulled,
he's using it
and it
to
did.
communicate with the
And here's
Claude
the
Code
code being
Terminal
pushed
to
in
be
real
put.
time.
All right, so this.
So I'm a little short for time, so I'm skipping through. But we saw a need, we met it with technology, we built something every chapter can carry forward, and that's what makes us a platinum chapter. Once again, my name is Carlo. I'm development and narration, and here's the terms and statements. Thank you very much. Thank you for listening to my presentation.